doing a race just now. I'm going to do a test launch, see what it does, but as you can hear it's tapping, so if I come off here and the tapping's louder, I'll probably end it for the day. So we'll do a quick video, a pre-launch, pre-start, pre-run video, see what it does. Hopefully, touch wood, nothing goes majorly wrong. But I don't want to jinx anything, so I don't want to say anything too much. So we'll see at the end of the track and see what it does.
Towed up on standby just in case.
Might need a tow rope, like keep an eye on it. If I start flicking my indicators left and right, it's because I need a tow. It's dropped a valve or some shit. But we'll see. We'll see.
.12.8 at 130.
That's alright! 130?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, bastard. I was not expecting that.
Nah. It didn't want to go at the start and then it just went a bit sideways about 330.
Yeah, my four-wheel drive wasn't working right, so it got there eventually though. But brakes are shite at the top end, like. Brakes are really bad. So I'll go over the data log and see, but that could be a win and run, by the way.
Could.
Because the four-wheel drive Mini's getting fucking 13s odd.
Aye.
I'm gonna get you, bro!
take that all-wheel drive.
Bro, you done well?
It's just the boost just hit right in the middle bit. I was like, I'm passing him, I'm passing him. Because I was pure starting at the start, man. It was like a half load, there was like 3 launches. Top, mid, high. I was trying to.
She'll be good.
But really,
Eh?
what's the excuse?
No.
Nothing. It looked like it shut off after the
You fucking bastard. Like, bastard!
as soon as he goes, he goes.
Yeah, I
Once
know.
it sits, it's fucking, it's mental, man. But aye,
Good race,
fair
man.
play,
Good
man.
stuff, man.
Your nerve's gone now.
I'm still going.
He's fucking buzzing all day. He's like,
Melted my crank sensor wiring. Should be good, yeah. I just seen RPM 0. I was like, oh well, there you go. Where's the side difference? Oh no, I definitely redneck this shit, bro.
We'll go for a summary, Gav.
Eh?
Summary of the day.
Okay, so summary. Sorry, not much of a video for you guys today, but I have been having fun. Obviously, we had the issue with tapping engine and stuff like that, so I didn't want to push things too far. Considering the car did very well, I'm so proud of it. Well, an issue to sort the crank sensor wiring now because I melted it. Aye, so all things considering, everything went well. Crank sensor issue, it's not a big issue, it's just maybe oversight on my behalf because of wiring being a little bit too close to the exhaust manifold. Also, I had an issue with my BEYTEK wiring. I melted that too, so we didn't have BEYTEK. But I'm happy that they didn't drop a valve or anything like that. I'll probably put some valve train on it tomorrow to see if that tapping goes away, and if it does, I'm buzzing. Also, no coolant pressure. No coolant pressure. The car does get hot, it gets up to 100 degrees or so, but it cools back down again eventually.
Yeah, that was an issue at Santa Pod for me.
Yeah, well, sorry about that. But apart from that, yeah, man, I'm fucking buzzing. I'm happy with the car. It's done me proud. I don't know if it's because I had one of my son's toys with me today. It's been in my pocket all along, and it might be my new good luck charm. So, yeah, now just take the car home, give it a wee look over, maybe the night or tomorrow, put some valve train in it, see if it sorts. If it sorts it, buzzing. If it doesn't, I'll chuck another head on it. It's maybe just broken a valve guide or something, a bit of a knocking for the top. and we'll put it back in the dyno again, put some more power through it, and yeah, see how it goes. But anyway guys, thanks again for coming along and watching the video, and we'll catch you in the next video.